Happy holidays from the News 12 family to yours. This Sounds of the Season special is an annual musical tradition for us, and we hope for you too. For the next half hour, we'll bring you the music of 7 outstanding choirs from New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. They'll be performing many of the songs that express the sentiments of the holidays. So sit back, relax, and listen. Let's start with Edison, New Jersey's J.P. Stevens High School Chamber Ensemble with Angels We Have Heard on High.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains.
If you want to watch these performances again and see more from these young singing groups, just click the QR code on the right side of your screen. Now to Long Island, where the 20-member Huntington High School Chamber Choir sings Deck the Halls.
Deck the hall with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new ye lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la.
To Brooklyn now, where the Brooklyn High School of Art Select Choir is ready to sing "O Holy Night" for you.
Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the
That was really transcendent. Now from Westchester County, the Rye Country Day School Wildcats bring us some joy for the season with their version of Joy to the World.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let man their songs implore. O'er fields and floods, across hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.
A reminder that all of these performances, plus a few more from each of these wonderful choruses, are available on our website, news12.com. We'll be right back after a quick pause, so stay with us for more Sounds of the Season. And as we go to break, let's hear again from the Wildcats at Rye Country Day School with another long-time December favorite.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Happy Hanukkah, we wish you a joyous Kwanzaa, and a Happy New Year.
Welcome back to the Sounds of the Season. Now, Zamir Nodad of New York and New Jersey performs a much hipper version of a traditional song that you probably heard before.
Oh, I have a little dreidel. I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh, dreidel, I shall play. Oh, it had such a little body with legs so short and straight, and when it's all tuckered out and tired, oh, it drops, and then, oh, how we end, oh, dreidel, oh, my little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh, dreidel, I shall play. Oh, dreidel, oh, my little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh, dreidel, oh, dreidel, oh, dreidel, I shall play.
Next up, the Celia Cruz High School of Music Bella Voce Choir with Hark the Herald Angels Sing.
Hark the herald angels
Oh, Come All Ye Faithful is a holiday favorite for a lot of folks. From Norwalk, Connecticut, here are the Brian McMahon High School Chamber Singers. Don't go anywhere. More great holiday music is coming up on Sounds of the Season.
Our thanks to the choruses from Huntington High School on Long Island, J.P. Stevens High School in Edison, New Jersey, Brooklyn High School of the Arts, Sela Cruz High School of Music in the Bronx, the Rye Country Day School, Norwalk, Connecticut's Brian McMahon High School, and Zamir Noded of New York and New Jersey. Before the Huntington High Chamber Choir sings Auld Lang Syne, on behalf of the News 12 family, happy holidays.